Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you English in a very playful method using paper, and you have to listen to me as well as watch me doing, observe very carefully what I do and follow my instructions. That way you are going to learn English in a very easy method. Take a square piece of paper like this. I have taken colored paper. Fold it. First of all, you need to fold it diagonally. This is one fold. Then fold again and you get a small triangle. Now there is one side open. Here you have to give a cut using scissors. And if a child is doing, small school going child, he should be very careful that scissors, this is very sharp instrument. So it has to be used very carefully. Now this cut is made. Now there are 4 folds left in this paper on the right hand side. So 2 you bend on one side and 2 on the other. Like this. Now you can see we get something like this. Now we cut it from the top like this. So one cut is made, and see, this is a rabbit. It can move. The rabbit is running. So this way, if you are able to make as per the instructions given, that means you are understanding English. Shall we try something difficult? Okay. Let's make this duck now. You can call it swan. And I need another piece of paper now. So here I have one scrapbook. This is the scrapbook. It has all colored papers. Let us have pink color now. So I am tearing one paper from the scrapbook, and we often tell to the children in the classroom not to tear pages from the books. But if you are learning something, you can afford to have a separate notebook. Sometimes we are having old copies at home, so you can use that paper also. Now this is rectangle shape and the color is pink. Now let's try something different. Again, follow my instructions to what I say. See here, again I am having one square. I need a square piece of paper. I am cutting it using scissors. Children, we always say scissors, not scissor. Okay, even singular is also scissors. Now one fold is this, diagonal. Give another fold the way we did for that rabbit. See, this rabbit is here. Now we need to make still smaller triangle. So we get something like this. I think you are understanding my English. Now what I am going to do, hold it gently and you have to give a fold like this. Got it? If you have not understood, you need to rewind and check. So we get like this. Now place it here, give one fold like this. It has to be folded on all the sides, right? It's a bit difficult, but if you try, I think nothing is difficult. Listen to me carefully and keep observing what I do. So I am folding it. I think we need to fold on 4 sides. I am a bit faster. When we make things out of paper, that technique or that art is called origami. So when we fold it, we get a star like thing and generally star is not having 4 sides, but here it's 4-sided star that I've made. Now turn it upside down. I think I'm adding new words to your vocabulary. So we get like this. Now hold it, open up, again we need to give folds, 4 folds once again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now this is what I have got. It's like this. Again lift the one side of the paper, turn it up, this side again up, it's about to be ready. One tail we can have, that is at the back. And this side front one will be the beak. Just hold it like this, and there is a hole at the bottom, so you just blow air into it. See, like this I have created a bird. So this is again one green colored I have, this is a swan. So this way, if you have followed my instructions, you are able to make it. English, I think, is not difficult for you, and we learn by doing. So it was just a playway method of learning language. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.